Hi everybody and welcome back. Here's how you can make a Facebook style story on Facebook where there will be a picture as the background and then you can plaster it with three other pictures as part of a 3x1 collage, horizontal collage. Fancy, isn't it? Let's start creating a story. Tap on create story on the top left. And then let's say if you want this picture as the background, just like so, and then we're going to add three other pictures as part of the collage. Tap on stickers on the top right, and then tap on photo. And then select this picture, for example. No, this one. Tap on the picture to change the style, and then resize it so that, you can actually fit the other pictures in this story, just like so. Place it around here, and then there's this other gap on the left and the other gap on the right that will be filled with other pictures. Tap on the sticker icon on the top right again, tap on photo, and then pick this. Tap it so that it's changed into this square frame. Resize it so that, it has the same size as the picture. At the center, tap on the sticker icon again on the top right, tap on photo, and then pick this. Tap it. Resize it so that it has the same size as the picture on the center, at the center, that's to say, and then place it here. There you go. Now there's a 3x1 collage, just like this. And then we're going to add some borders. Tap on the text icon, second row, and then type some underscores, just like this. Tap on done, and then resize it, place it here. Centerize it first. Hold on. Place it here. Centerize it, and then tap on the text icon on the top right. Type some more underscores. Tap on done on the top right. Resize it, and then place it to the center. Just like this. And then we're going to add two vertical borders. Do 7 underscores, rotate it like 90 degrees. Resize it, just like this. Until it's enough to fit the border between two images on the left, just like so. And then tap on the text icon again, and then type 7 underscores again, just like so. Rotate it 90 degrees. Resize it. Just like so. Hold on. Resize it a little bit larger. Just a bit larger, and then place it. Hold on. Place it here. That's not large enough. That's enough. So fancy, isn't it? A cool guy as the background, and then there are 3 more of the pictures of the same guy wearing a fancy suit, just like so. And then when you're ready to share your story, simply tap on the share icon on the share panel on the bottom right. There's a collage with borders that add some cool touch into the story that you'll be posting. That's how you can make a Facebook style story as fancy as this on Facebook. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.